Welcome to the second part of your own adventure. The Sutta Pitaka records the Buddha's teachings and parables in the simple language of ordinary people. Through his stories, the Buddha describes the concept of samsara. This is the inescapable cycle of life, death, and reincarnation that an individual goes through until finally reaching nirvana, a state of perfect peace of mind. Nirvana is achieved through understanding the Four Noble Truths. The scriptures in Sutta Pitaka were expressed with clarity, and there were over 10,000 written by the Buddha and his close disciples. In addition to stories and speeches, this basket also showed how the first council held and invented the Tripitaka. Since the Buddha wasn't alive when the monks and nuns made the three baskets, some of you might be wondering how they knew all of his stories. Well, at the Buddha's funeral, one of his disciples, Ananda, was able to recite all of the Buddha's sermons from memory, and then they were written down by the other monks and nuns. This basket was split up into 5 different Nikayas, or collections, that split up the Buddha's stories and speeches. These 5 Nikayas were called Digha, Majjhima, Samyutta, Anguttara, and Khuddaka. There was very little added to this canon since the Buddha's death. The Digha ranges from colorful folklore stories to practical meditation instructions. Scholars believe that the Digha was intended as propaganda to make people convert to Buddhism. The Majjhima has 152 stories in it that show important principles of karma. Karma is every action that a person does and the result of that action. The Samyutta and Anguttara both have over 2,000 little stories in it, and the Khuddaka contains 15 books about the Buddha's speech.